Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. Let's look at how this model answer addresses the email task. If you need more time to read the full response, feel free to pause the video now. The email effectively covers all three required points. It clearly explains the idea for the get-together, asks if a common area can be used, and inquires about borrowing some tables and chairs. The email is well organized. It starts with a polite greeting, "Dear Building Manager," and clearly states the email's purpose in the first paragraph. The body paragraphs logically present the details for each request. The tone is polite and respectful, which is appropriate for writing to a building manager. It finishes with a professional closing and sign-off. Notice the use of simple linking words like "also" to connect ideas smoothly between paragraphs. Phrases like "for this event" help to introduce new points clearly. The word "because" is used implicitly when explaining that the main purpose is for people to connect. The language is generally simple, suitable for A2 to B1 learners. It includes helpful words like assistance and suitable to make the request sound clear and polite. These are good B2 words to learn and use correctly. For beginner learners, a good tip is to clearly state your main reason for writing in the very first sentence or two. This helps the reader understand your email immediately. Let's examine why the model response for option A, choosing the playground, is effective for this CELPIP task. If you need a moment to review the full answer text, you can pause the video at this point. The response clearly indicates its choice in the first sentence. I believe improving the outdoor children's playground is the better choice. It then provides strong supporting arguments. For example, it explains that a modern, safe, and engaging playground is essential for children's healthy development, and further discusses benefits for parents and community bonding. The writer gives at least two distinct reasons for their preference. The organization of the answer is logical and easy to follow. It begins with a clear introductory sentence. The body of the response uses two paragraphs, introduced by firstly and secondly, to detail each main reason with supporting points. The tone is appropriately semi-formal and persuasive for a survey. A brief concluding sentence effectively restates the writer's position. Simple linking words like also, implied by secondly, and therefore help to connect ideas smoothly and create a cohesive text. The vocabulary is generally accessible for B1 learners. The inclusion of well-chosen B2 words like essential and vibrant enhances the explanation without making it overly complex. Let's review the model response for option B, which supports renovating the gym and understand its strengths. If you'd like more time to read the full sample answer, please pause the video now. This response clearly states its choice in the opening sentence. I believe that renovating the indoor gym facilities is the most beneficial way. It then offers well-explained reasons for this preference. For instance, it highlights that a modern and well-equipped gym provides significant health benefits for everyone, and emphasizes that it is usable comfortably all year round. The organization of this answer is logical and easy to follow. It starts with a clear introduction stating the choice. The body of the response is divided into two paragraphs, clearly marked by firstly and secondly, where each main reason is developed with supporting details. The tone is appropriately semi-formal and persuasive for a survey. The writer uses effective linking words such as unlike, also, and in conclusion to ensure smooth transitions between ideas and create a coherent text. The vocabulary is largely accessible for B1 learners. The inclusion of well-integrated B2 words like accessible and dynamic strengthens the arguments without increasing the difficulty too much.